Hello guys, it is the day we leave to Austin, Texas. I was gonna bring you guys along yesterday to start the moving vlog because I did little things, got my nails done, like, hello, I self-tanned. Just doing the last minute things, but honestly it was kind of chaotic. I curled my hair this morning so I look like decent at the airport because like you gotta live as your highest self, and my highest self would have my hair looking nice. This outfit is hybrid legacy t-shirt, colorful gold leggings and Air Forces. But we're leaving to the airport in like a minute, so I gotta go. Lunch and we're about to go car shopping, so I'll take you guys along with that. You guys have never been in one of my videos. I don't think you've ever been. Jeep was a no. They don't have any Jeep Wranglers at all. So next stop. This is so cute.
Interesting color.
I don't think I could do red because I feel like I'd get sick of it. Red on the inside. That we could do. Hey guys, it is like 9 p.m. We have our apartment, ladies and gentlemen. Holy shit, like today, I'm gonna put you guys up here. Today was the longest day of my whole life. I woke up at 5 in the morning and then flew here, and then there's like a 1 hour time change. So right now for me it's actually 10, but it's 9 here. So we got off the plane, went to go eat lunch, then I went to go look at cars all day and car dealerships. I learned how to give me like the most stress and anxiety out of anything. I don't have anything yet. I didn't get anything yet. I'll obviously tell you guys if I do. Test drove a few things, looked at the prices for a few things, which just like gave me a headache. I literally had a pounding headache all day. I feel like garbage. Like I need to go to sleep, and I'm super excited to have a fresh start tomorrow. I think I should go to bed. Good morning, it is Sunday. We slept at Sam's like old apartment, I guess. Yeah, old apartment. And now we're back in our apartment. So I'm gonna give you guys a little like tour. It's not empty, but it's like it's very bare and a mess. So let's start. Okay, so you walk in our door. This closet is gonna be, oh, your bags are in here, Sam.
What?
They're reusable grocery bags?
They're in there?
Yeah. This is gonna be like literally stacked with probably like energy drinks, pre-workout, like all that stuff. Then we have our kitchen. I'm obsessed with the kitchen because the island's like so big and there's so many cabinets. Like oatmeal already stocked. Sam just put this here. So they so cute.
Way too many energy drinks. I'm trying to make it organized.
I'm dead.
We just need one more.
Look at them.
And she's done.
Wow. Okay, but then we need to keep like restocking it, so
yeah,
it's like a shape.
Don't worry, we can restock. We got enough to restock.
Don't worry, guys.
I have another company sending me some.
Don't worry, guys. We're not running out. I put my other pump powder and my other BCAAs in a loaded pre-workout. I added to the stock. I have a Sunny D in my bag somewhere. Then just fitness people things. This is gonna be like our office, if you will. Podcasting office. We could just like sit, do work. We're gonna get like a cool little table. Cute, fun stuff coming for this little area. This is our living room. It's gonna look basically, if you guys follow Sam, like her living room. We're just basically moving it over here. We might get a different couch. This is our washer and dryer right when you come straight. And this is my room. All I have in it right now. I love it. I'm like obsessed with it. And then this is my bathroom. Again, I have a bath mat. And then my closet, I packed a lot of my stuff on hangers. So what was on hangers, I just threw in the closet. And yeah, and Sam's room basically looks exactly the same as mine. It is just over here. And her bathroom is right there, and her room is right there. This is my outfit for moving and running errands. Rawgear slides, Rawgear shirt. I just got it. Just got it delivered to Sam's. I'm obsessed with it. It's an oversized something shirt in a medium. These are Hybrid Legacy shorts, camo, like buy stuff you go in. They're so cute. I'm really obsessed with these shorts. They remind me of like Lululemon ones. Freaking obsessed. This sports bra is super old and from Forever 21. And then also from Forever 21. And then look at these rings. They're from Altered State. Look how cute this happy face one is. I got them a while ago actually. And the nails kind of drip. It's gonna be another long day, but I'm definitely gonna film more than I did yesterday. Literally all I did yesterday was look at cars. So we actually get some content coming today. We got a list going of everything I need. Hopefully we get it all today. I highly doubt it, but I'm gonna be optimistic. And now I need to look at more room inspo, because I had one TikTok that I liked of this girl and I think she deleted it. Like I saved it and I think it's gone and that she deleted it, so that kind of sucks.
Do you want to help me do the couch?
Yeah. Let's do it.
I think that's wrong.
I wish I could film us bringing this couch, but that ain't gonna work.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. Yes.
Now we have a couch. Oh, it's so cute.
It's so cute. We just need to get the other chair.
It's
and
so
the mirror.
cute.
Oh my god, yeah. Let's
Yeah,
do
and the
that.
mirror.
Let's look at those things.
First time making oatmeal in my new apartment. Let's go.
Okay.
Can we get used to this setup? Like the cooking videos in here? Oh my god. I don't have protein powder. So I'm gonna put a protein bar on top. They don't work. I feel like I was dehydrated yesterday, so I'm trying to like chug this. Oh, I messed up measuring this, so we're just gonna throw it on. I feel like I'm having dessert for breakfast, guys. Like, this is straight like chocolate. Do you have fruit?
Yeah, there's blueberries in the fridge.
First bowl of oatmeal, baby. It's kind of a sad one because there's no protein powder, but it's gonna taste good.
It looks so good.
It's gonna taste good. Like, it looks like straight up chocolate. Damn. Whatever, but we eat this now. We made it to our first shopping destination. Hopefully we can knock it out. I think we can get a lot of it here. I think we can. They have everything, like everything. So hopefully we can get a lot of it here. It's gonna be
Let's make it quick.
It's gonna be a decent, decent amount of shopping, but I think we can do it. Okay, so all we've gotten is stuff from my closet, and we filled up the whole cart. Baskets, jewelry. This is like a hamper. Yeah, just baskets really, but I want this. It's so cute. I think it's perfect. It's perfect. I want it. Okay, so we're going for like pink as my main color, but like very like eclectic, lots of different colors like the blue, the green, whatever. So I got a nightstand, this other little table, got a green pillow because I really want to get a pink chair like that. And I want like that vibe. stuff for my closet, just, yeah, I think I already showed that. So, coming together. This is the exact tray that I wanted, that I saw on TikTok. I'm pretty sure it's like almost the same, and we found it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the chair. It's so cute. We got such a cute lamp. I'm so excited. I was gonna say help me pick a dresser, but I already bought it if you're watching this, so no one can help. This one's cool, but you get what I'm saying? Well, I don't really need little shelves. That's why I'm like...
But this one's so short. What would you put on this?
Like the tray, 2 books with a little thing on it.
It could be kind of tall and then
Tall.
like a mirror
Yeah,
over
like
it or
something maybe tall.
All right.
Oh. One trip.
There. Oh.
One
That's a
trip
little better.
only.